In the heart of Chicago's ever-expanding landscape, where diverse stories of hope and perseverance overlap, stands Pullman National Historical Park, a testament to innovation, labor history, and the American dream. This planned community, established in the 1880s by George M. Pullman, revolutionized industrial planning and urban design, harboring the essence of a pioneering town that once transformed the face of industry and labor. As you step into the park, you are surrounded by a vivid account of history, architecture, and the rise of workers' rights. The guided tour, led by knowledgeable park rangers, delves into the history and heritage of Pullman, while self-guided walking and auto tours offer an intimate look at the elaborate architecture and urban design that made this community a paragon for future industrial towns. To gain a comprehensive understanding of Pullman's impact, be sure to watch the park film, which details the inception, glory days, challenges, and resurrection of this iconic town. Educational museum exhibits further elaborate on the historic events and social dynamics that shaped Pullman into what it is today. As you explore the park, you can take a piece of history home with you from the gift shop and souvenirs, where you'll find mementos that tell the tale of Pullman's storied past. The Hotel Florence, built in 1880 and named after George Pullman's daughter, serves as a beacon of hospitality, with its graceful and refined architecture representing the opulence of the era. Nestled within a humid continental climate zone, the park offers mild, snowy winters and warm, humid summers, perfect for exploring the scenic grounds and considering the lives of the past residents who braved similar conditions in pursuit of their American dream. In conclusion, Pullman National Historical Park stands as a vivid portal into a bygone era when industrial magnates envisioned cities of efficiency and grandeur. Today, it offers an invaluable peek into the socio-economic fabric that wove together the lives of countless individuals, presenting a compelling attraction for history enthusiasts, architectural aficionados, and curious visitors alike. So come and experience the stories and scenery of Pullman National Historical Park, where the past and present intertwine in a narrative of hope, progress, and the American dream. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.